Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bondee app not installed problem. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure that you have enough storage on your device. After uninstalling some apps or data, try installing the application. If that still does not work, the second solution is allow installation of unknown apps on your Chrome. Just go to your phone settings, select apps and notifications, tap Chrome, and at the bottom install unknown apps. Toggle it if it is off. The third solution is clear the Play Store and Google Play Services cache. Again, go to your phone settings, tap See All Apps, scroll down and look for Play Store and Google Play Services. Tap the storage, tap clear cache, then after that go back to the app section and select the three dots at the top right corner. Select show system, scroll down and select package installer, then clear its cache. Try installing the application you wanted after completing the third step. And for the fourth solution, open your Play Store application and go to your profile icon. Go to Play Protect, tap the settings icon above, turn off the scan application with Play Protect. Just turn it on after you install the application. And the final solution is by going to your phone settings. Select Apps and Notifications, tap See All Apps, then tap the three dots at the top, then select Reset App Preferences. After doing these steps, you can now go back to the APK you are trying to install. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.